The Open App feature is one of the possible actions for when the user taps a component. Let's see how to apply and use it. For that, I'll add a rectangle here, but this also works with other components. On the right sidebar, expand the action group, then check the Apply Action checkbox. In the Action dropdown, select the Open App option. Once you've selected it, a couple of new settings will show up. The first one is the Open App dropdown. If you click on it, you will have a list with some predefined apps. You can pick any of them. For example, I'll select the Alarm option. Now when the user taps the rectangle, the watch will open the Alarm app. We can test it out in the preview by clicking on the rectangle, like this. As this is just a simulation, the preview will only show a message saying which app was opened. Let's try the settings now. See, the name changed, because now it will open the Settings app when the user taps it. You can even add third-party apps. For that, select the Custom option. This will enable the two other inputs. Each app on Android and Wear OS has a unique app ID, also known as a package name. To launch a custom app, you will need to know the app ID of the corresponding app. For example, the app ID for Spotify is com.spotify.music. The next setting is the description text. This setting is used by accessibility apps. In here you are going to describe what will happen when the user taps this component. To add the description, click on the text ID and then add the text. In this example, I'll set the text to be launches the Spotify app. Done. Now when the user taps the rectangle, the custom app one set, in this case, the Spotify app, will be launched, as you can see in the preview. In case the app is not installed on the watch, the user will be taken to the apps page in the Google Play of the watch, from where it can be installed. Just be aware that not all apps are available for all manufacturers, watch models, and Wear OS versions. In case the app is not available for the watch, for whatever reason, a message inside Google Play will be displayed informing the user of the incompatibility or even that the app was not found. In the description of this video, you can find the link to my GitHub page. If you click on it, you will be taken to this page here. In here you can find some resources I created, like projects, tag expressions, and app IDs. In this case we are interested in the app IDs. To see the list I have created, click on this link here. A list with a couple of app IDs will show up. In the right column you can find the app's name. If the app name is blue, it means that it is a link. If you click on any of the blue names, you will be taken to the apps page on Google Play. If the app name is not blue, it means that it's not available on Google Play. In the left column you will find the app's ID, the one you need to use on Watchface Studio in order to launch the corresponding app. Just copy, paste, and test it. Once again, be aware that not all apps are available for all manufacturers, watch models, and Wear OS versions. And that some app IDs might work on some devices but not on others. To find an app ID using a browser, first you need to go to the Google Play website. Once the store is opened, search for the app. In this example, I'll search for the YouTube Music app. Once you find the desired app, click on it to show its page on Google Play. You will find the app ID in the URL of this page, up here. If you look at this text more carefully, you will see that it has an ID text at the end of it, right here. The app's ID is what is in front of the equal sign. In this example, for YouTube Music, the app ID is this part here. This is the text you will need to add in the Watchface Studio in order to launch the YouTube Music app on the user's watch. In case you want to use your phone to look for app IDs, you will need to use the Google Play app. Once it is opened, search for the app you wish to get the ID. In this example, I'll look for YouTube Music. Once you find the app, click on it to open its page inside Google Play. Just to be clear, you do not need to install it, you only need to open the description page, like this. Now click on the three dots at the right top corner and select the option Share. Now you have many options. You can simply copy this link and then get the ID from it. Or you can send it using a message app and then get the ID from the message link sent. Or you can open the link in your phone's browser and get it from the URL just like you did on the computer. Or you can use a Note app. In my case I'll use a Note app. Done, now I have the link to this app just like I had the link using the browser. Once again, the app ID for the app is all the text in front of the last equal sign.